In this video, I'll show you how to track your Pandabuy Parcel. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, open up any web browser and then head on over to pandabuy.com. Once you've done that, hit enter, and then you'll be brought to the official website of Pandabuy. And now from here, you want to go ahead and log in. So go ahead and put in your email and password to log in. Or you can continue with Google or Apple. So for this demonstration, I'm going to continue with Gmail. Make sure you have clicked this box here where it says, I have already read and accept Pandabuy user registration agreement and privacy statement. Now I'm going to choose the email account I am signed up to Pandabuy with. Click on continue. Just go through this process to log in. Alright, once you have logged in to Pandabuy, go ahead and click on your profile. And then go ahead and click onto order under your profile. And now you'll be brought to this page here. All your current orders are with Pandabuy. They'll appear right here. So in this demonstration, I haven't placed any orders with Pandabuy yet. So you cannot see any orders. But in your case, if you do have orders with Pandabuy, you can click on where it says order status. And then you'll be able to see the order status of your different Pandabuy orders that you've purchased.